In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another phone number to your Google account in just 5 minutes. Whether you need to update your contact details for security purposes or simply want to manage multiple phone numbers under your account, this step-by-step guide will help you do it effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and then type in google.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to Google's homepage. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have the correct email and password handy, as you'll need them to access your account securely. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be redirected to the Google account homepage. This is essentially your control panel where you can manage all your Google services and settings. Look around and feel free to explore a bit, but for now let's stay focused on the task at hand. Now navigate to the personal info section. You'll usually find this option on the left hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Google stores all your key details, such as your name, birthday, and other basic information that you've saved with your account. As we move forward, let's locate the contact info section within the personal info page. Click on it and you'll see various options related to how Google can reach you, including email addresses and phone numbers. We're almost there. Now click on the phone option. This is where you can view, add or remove phone numbers associated with your account. In this section you'll find an option to add another phone number. Follow the instructions on the screen, input your new phone number and verify it if required. Google may send you a verification code via SMS to confirm that the number is yours. Simply enter that code and you're good to go. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for account recovery options and ensuring that you're easily reachable. By adding this extra phone number, you're not only expanding your personal reach, but also adding another layer of security to your Google account. And that wraps up our tutorial on adding another phone number to your Google account. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Google's Help Center or reach out in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and until next time, take care.